A remote sensing a satellite of Earth revolves in a circular orbit at a height of 0.25 into 10 power of 6 meters above the surface of the Earth. If Earth's radius is 6.4 into 10 power of 6 meter and acceleration due to gravity is g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square, then the orbital speed of the satellite is what we need to find. Okay. So here we know the orbital velocity of the satellite. We can write in the formula that is b is equal to under root of gm divided by r plus r h, where m is the mass of the Earth and r is the radius of the Earth. Then, by substituting the values, we get the answer v is equal to under root of g is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 into m is equal to, they are given 6 into 10 to the power of 24 whole divided by r value is equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6 plus h value is, it is 0.25 into 10 to the power of 6. By simplifying, we get the answer 7.76 kilometers per second. Then option B is the right answer.